Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace and blessings and mercies of Allah Almighty be upon each and every one of you. My dear respected brothers and sisters, I am Maulana Hafiz Maqsood and I will be giving an explanation on Eid-Ul-Fitr, how Muslims celebrate Eid-Ul-Fitr all over the world. In fact, after a month of Ramadan al-Mubarak, after a month of devotion, self-control, Muslims celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr all over the world. And in fact, Eid-ul-Fitr is a day of happiness and reward for all the Muslims and believers for what they have done in the previous month of Ramadan al-Mubarak by making sacrifices, by worshipping of Allah Almighty, by observing fast, and by offering Taraweeh. So the day of Eid is a day of happiness for all of them and a day of reward for all of them, and people celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr as a reward from Allah Almighty, as a gift from Allah Almighty. And Eid-ul-Fitr is a very important festival in the Islamic calendar, and it was started by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, by himself, and it is celebrated now all over the world by Muslim community to mark the end of Ramadan al-Mubarak. And Muslims are not only celebrating the end of fasting but also thanking Allah Almighty for the Quran, which was revealed towards the end of Ramadan al-Mubarak, and for the strength that Allah Almighty has given them to exercise self-control throughout the previous month of Ramadan al-Mubarak. Eid-ul-Fitr is a national holiday in many countries, even in Trinidad and Tobago, and people share happiness with one another. And this festival day begins and starts with the first sighting of the new moon at the beginning of the 10th month of Islamic calendar. This is the starting time of Eid-ul-Fitr. And what basically Muslims do on Eid-ul-Fitr? Muslims wear their best clothes, nice clothes, and they go to masjid to perform their Eid-ul-Fitr prayer, and then they meet their fellow Muslims and brothers and sisters and decorate their homes and spend time celebrating with their families, with their friends, and share happiness, because this is the day of happiness. And some Muslims give money to the poor people so that they can also enjoy the day of Eid with their family and with their children, because some people cannot afford to buy new clothes for their children. So some Muslims help needy people, some Muslims help poor people, so that they can also celebrate this blessed or special Eid-ul-Fitr with their children and with their families. And Eid-ul-Fitr is a time for families, friends, and neighbors to spend time together and share food. And on that special day, people cook delicious foods and sweet dishes, like we know in Trinidad and Tobago, savai and baklava. People make these kind of nice dishes and share with friends and families and neighbors. And Eid-ul-Fitr, is a very special day for everybody, Muslims, for non-Muslims, because people share happiness with one another. So this was the basic concept of Eid-ul-Fitr in Muslim community, how Muslim community celebrate their Eid-ul-Fitr. And I wish all of you happy Eid-ul-Fitr, and may God bring happiness in your life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.